The element to focus on here is sea level rise as it relates to changes in the Arctic. The increase in temperature that climate change will bring to the Arctic region is significant, and that temperature increase will cause glaciers and continental ice sheets to melt, which is currently contributing to sea level rise. Focusing on the southeastern United States, namely the city of New Orleans. New Orleans is a sprawling and large metropolitan area that inhabits about 1.2 million people. The lowest elevation recorded is 2 meters below sea level, and the highest being 6 meters above sea level. Many New Orleans residents live at or below sea level. This presents a huge problem in the future as sea levels continue to rise, which is caused in large part by melting ice sheets and glaciers in the Arctic. Should sea levels rise to such an extreme, many coastal communities like New Orleans are at extreme risk for flooding, which could cause millions to relocate from their homes to higher elevations. This is not just an issue for the southeastern U.S. and will cause issues for millions of other people around the globe. Those in low-lying areas will be forced to leave and will create a huge refugee issue.